Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you would open up the hood. So to start with, you need to open up your front right door or front left door, and then we have this lever right here that we're going to pull, and that releases the hood latch on the front, or the safety latch. Now we can go around front and open up the hood. And so the safety latch is located right here above the cross there, or the plus sign. So it's right here, a little bit to the right, and then you're going to pull that to the left there to unlock and then raise up the hood. And once you raise the hood, this has just a metal bar support. You're going to just pull it up and put it in there. It has a little sign here saying where it goes, and that right there holds up your hood, and now you'll be able to do what you need to under the hood. You're checking fluids and doing anything like that. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.